My friends, I'm going to be honest with you. I want a clean home. If you too want a clean home, why don't you drop me one of these? Today, my friends, I'm talking fabric lampshades. The lampshade is just one of those items that sits around the house, does its job, yet tends to get ignored when it comes to cleaning. I'm sure that if the lampshade had feelings, it would feel very sad about being left out of your cleaning routine. Well, today it's going down because I want you to have a cleaner home than all of your friends. What we're going to do is take your existing home and elevate it to excellence, one video at a time. So without any further ado, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to clean your fabric lampshades with confidence. Before we get started, I just want to mention one more time that this video is specifically for fabric lampshades. If you have paper, plastic, or parchment, that's another video entirely. To clean your lampshades, I'm going to give you 2 levels of clean like I do in so many videos. The level 1 cleaning is going to be a general dusting maintenance cleaning, and the level 2 cleaning is going to be stain removal. Catch it. Okay, here's our lampshade. The level 1 cleaning, all you're going to need is a lint roller. If it's just dusty and you don't see any stains, take your lint roller. Let's see how close we get. Take your lint roller and just start rolling over the lampshade. This will dust it better than anything you can find to dust it with. It's a cleaning hack, if you will. Now for the level 2 cleaning, what you're going to need is a bucket. Make sure you get something that you can fully submerge your lampshade in. For my lampshade, it's kind of skinny, so I can use just an empty 5-gallon bucket. But if you have a wider lampshade, then get a bucket that's a little bit wider. If you want to use a bathtub, use a bathtub, but I feel like it's just way too much water for just one little lampshade. So just find you a good bucket that the lampshade will fit down in. You're also going to need a brush, a little nylon brush. Just don't use like a steel wool brush, wouldn't make sense. You're going to need some Dawn dish soap, and you're going to need some OxiClean stain removal. I will leave these products listed and linked down below for you. Okay guys, so before we get started, what you want to do is just pre-treat any of your stains that you have on here with a little bit of Dawn dish soap. Like right here, I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, but I've got a small little stain right there. So what I'm going to do before I start washing, before I start filling up a bucket of water and all that kind of good stuff and making our mixture, is we're going to pre-treat that stain with a little bit of Dawn dish soap. Just get a little bit on your finger, you know. About like that, nothing crazy. And just kind of rub that in and pre-treat that stain. After you pre-treat all your stains, just take your lampshade and set it to the side. And we're going to go ahead and fill up our bucket of warm water and make our mixture. Put in about 3/4 to a whole scoop of your OxiClean, and then just start filling your bucket up with warm water. Not hot, not cold, just regular warm water. Okay, so we've got our mixture. Now what we want to do is dip our lampshade into the bucket. Right, just like this. Take your nylon brush and just start brushing the lampshade, kind of like this. Wherever you pre-treated your stains, just give it a little extra wherever you pre-treated the stain at. And also, if your lampshade has any kind of seams where the materials have been put together, just make sure you're real gentle around the seams so you don't, mess it up and ruin your lampshade. Other than that, just keep kind of washing it up. After you finish brushing it and getting it all scrubbed up, just kind of submerge the lampshade down the bucket, let it sit for a couple minutes. Now I have some fresh clean water. Now you just need to rinse that lampshade. Get the suds and all the soap out of it and just rinse it out. Just like that. After it's rinsed, just set it to the side and let it air dry for 2 to 3 hours. So that's it guys. That is how to clean your fabric lampshades. Not paper, parchment, or plastic. Remember, another video entirely. Friends, if you like this information, you liked the video, you found it valuable, why don't you give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more great content. Make sure you click the bell notification to make sure that you're notified every time I upload some more content. Until next time, implement the steps I've outlined in this video and you will be well on your way to becoming the domesticated cleaning savage that I know you are.